Did you know your body has a secret furnace that burns calories just to keep you warm? It's called brown fat, and it contains a protein called UCP1 that literally wastes energy as heat. Here's how it works. When you get cold, your nervous system activates UCP1 in your brown fat cells. Instead of storing calories, these cells burn them directly as thermal energy. The crazy part? This process actually burns your white fat for fuel. Cold exposure turns your body into a calorie-burning machine through temperature regulation alone.